Hello, everybody. My name is Sir Raphael, and I will be teaching you Environmental Studies, Class 1. Now, everybody, take out your Wonder World Class 1 Environmental Studies and turn with me to page 24, lesson number 5, My House. Is everybody ready? Now, we will be learning about houses today. Do you live in a house? What is a house? Tell me, what does your house look like? Is it big? Is it small? Everybody lives in some kind of a house. So, let us read. What is a house? A house is a place where we live with our family. A house keeps us safe from heat, cold, rain, storm, wild animals, and unwanted people. Stop there. Now, the house you live in protects you from all kinds of weather and also from unwanted bad people. In case the weather becomes too cold or it becomes too hot or if it's raining, if there's a storm, do you stay inside the house or outside the house? That's right, you stay inside the house. So the house protects you from all of these environmental or weather conditions. That's right. Now there are many types of houses, right? Now, long ago, people lived in caves. They also lived on trees. Do you know what a cave is? Have you ever seen a cave? If you've ever seen a cave, then ask mummy or if you've not seen a cave, ask mummy or daddy to show you on Google search what a cave is. Long ago, many many people used to live in caves, and also some people also used to live on trees. That's right. Those were the early days. In the early days, no one lived in houses. They lived in caves or trees. Now, on to the next page, page number 25. We live in different types of houses now. Some houses are big, some houses are small, some are very high. What kind of house do you live in? Do you live in a small house? Do you live in a big house? Right? Is your house low or is your house high? Do you have to climb a lot of stairs to get to your house? What are houses made of? That's right. Houses are made of many kinds of things, right? Let us read. Houses are made of different things. Some houses are made of bricks, cement, and steel. Some such houses are strong and safe, right? Some houses are made of mud. Yes, there are some houses made of mud. You will find them in the countryside, right? Ask your mommy and daddy to take you on a trip the next time. And when you go on a road trip, right, you may see lots of mud houses on on the side or on the countryside, right? Some houses are also made of mud. They have roofs of thatch or dry grass. Have you ever seen a mud house? Have you seen their those roofs? They have thatch, meaning they use plants, right? They use plants to cover the top, or they use dry grass, right? Such houses are called huts. Mud houses keep us cool, but they are not very strong. Yes. So the houses that you and your family usually live in are typically made of bricks, cement, and steel, right? Some houses also are made of wood, plywood, right? What is your house made of? Ask your mommy and daddy, what is your house made of? Right? Now, let us move on. Parts of a house. Now, a house has many parts. We enter a house through the door. Yeah, how do you get into the house? Through the door, right? Yes. There are windows to let air and sunshine come inside the house. Right? Right? How many windows does your house have? Yes. Count and make sure how many windows does your house have. Right? Your windows let the air come inside the house. Air and sunshine. The top portion of the house is called the roof. Now, how many parts of the house do we have? We have the door. Where's the door? The what is the door? The door is the part where you enter the house, right? Every house has doors. Now there are windows as well. What do windows do? They let air and sunshine come inside the house, right? And then the top portion of the house is called the roof, right? The roof protects the house from many things like rain, sunshine, and all of the weather conditions, right? Now, let's look at the next exercise. Read the clues and guess the parts of your house. Choose words from the help box. Name them. Now, do you see the cloud? Yes, you have to pick the words from the cloud and fill in the blanks. Okay, you have 5. Right? You walk on me or spread a carpet on me. You walk into the house or walk in out of the house through me. You can paint me white or paint me bright. I stand tall. You open me for some light and fresh air. I am the top of your house. Now, I'll do one with you, right? And then you do the rest for homework. The first one, you walk on me or spread a carpet on me. Now, do you know what a carpet is? Yes, where do you spread carpets? Let's look at the cloud, right? Which of the following fits the description? Roof. Do you spread the carpet on a roof? No. Do you walk on the roof? Floor. Do you walk on the floor and do you spread carpet on the floor? Yes, the correct answer is floor, okay? It's not window. You don't walk on windows and you don't spread carpet on windows. You don't spread carpet on doors, you don't spread carpet. I mean, you don't walk on walls as well. So, the first one is floor. And now you do the rest, right? Now, moving on. Rooms in a house. Now, there are many rooms in a house. How many rooms does your house have? Can you count? What room do you watch TV in? What room do you study in? What room do you have a bath in? And what room do you sleep in? Are all of these rooms different? Right. So, we sleep in the bedroom. Wherever you sleep, that room is called your bedroom, right? You probably sleep with your mommy and daddy, so you sleep in your mommy and daddy's bedroom. We take a bath in the bathroom, right? We do not take baths in the bedroom, right? Nobody takes bath in the bedroom. You don't take bath in the kitchen. You bathe in the bathroom. We sit and talk in the living room. Where is your living room? Do you have guests? Whenever they enter, where do the guests sit? Yes, they sit in the living room, right? We sit and talk in the living room. We do not sleep in the living room. We do not have a bath in the living room. Yes. And we cook in the kitchen. Yes, all of the cooking where mommy and daddy make food. Yes, it all is in the kitchen, right? Now, it is very important to keep the house clean. Do you see mommy and daddy or anybody else, your sisters and your brothers keeping the house clean, doing cleaning? Do you clean the house yourself? Do you help mommy and daddy clean the house? Yes. Now let us read. Keeping the house clean. We use different things to keep our house clean. Given below are the pictures of some things we use to keep our house, to clean our house, sorry. Write their name in the blanks. Take help from the help box. Again, look at the pictures below. Do you know what these things are? Yes. Look at the box. It's written mop, dustbin, bucket, and broom. Yes. And you fill in these for homework, right? Moving on to page number 28. Now, there are some special houses that you may not find everywhere and you may not have seen, but some of you may have also seen it, right? In some places, people build houses with wood. Yes, we have wooden houses here. Yes, some of us have seen wooden houses. Yes, out in the countryside, maybe at some parks and picnic spots. Maybe when if your mommy and daddy has taken you, you will find wooden houses. In very cold places where there is a lot of snowfall, people make houses with ice. Yes, ice. Those houses are called igloos. Look at the spelling of igloos. Igloos. Yes, these special igloos are made completely from ice. Ask your mommy and daddy to Google igloos and show you what an igloo looks like in real life. Yes, people in very cold places, they live in these igloos, right? These igloos keep them warm and safe from the outside elements. Now, moving on. Some houses float on water. Yes, you have floating houses. These are called houseboats. Now, do you know what a boat is? Yes, a boat travels on water. That's right, very good. Now, sometimes you have houses on boats, and they are called houseboats. Some people live on houseboats, right? You have igloos, you have wooden houses, and then you have houseboats. And then you also have tents. Now let us read. Tents are houses made of special cloth. They can be rolled up and carried from one place to another. Yes, have you ever seen a tent? Maybe if you've gone camping with mommy and daddy, or you've seen on TV where people have gone camping, they will have tents. Tents are houses made of special cloth, right? And they can be rolled up and carried from one place to another. Yes, other houses you cannot carry from one place to another, but tents you can carry from one place to another. Some houses are built slightly above the ground. They are called stilt houses. Yes, you may have seen stilt houses in Mizoram where you live. Yes, there are many stilt houses here in Mizoram. You can find them aplenty, right? When you go to villages, you can find many stilt houses. They stand on a higher. They are built slightly above the ground, right? They are not on the ground. They are built above the ground. Now, for homework, I would like you to complete the exercise on page 26, the exercise on page 27, and also exercises A, B, and C. Right? So let me repeat. The exercise on page 26, the exercise on page 27, and the exercises from page 29 and 30, A, B, and C. All right. So, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. All right? And I will see you next time. Goodbye.